I'll be starting the session, and I welcome all the participants once again. It's a great opportunity for me to address all the students. See, I have taken the title that career craft. That means students who are in the education system, finally they would like to choose their own paths. So I would like to address, and this is not new, or whatever I'm talking today, it is not the rocket science. It's only normal pitch. What I'm going to give some tips for the student, they will be knowing this, but I'll once again stress upon these points. Now I'll be presenting my session. Okay. Pereswamy, am I audible and screen is
visible, ma'am, and audible, clear, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Dear students, see the title, Career Craft and Define Now. If you cannot define now, when you will be defining? It's a golden time which is given by the God for us. Last 3 months, we are all there at our home, and we would have done wonders. I hope even you would have done some wonders. So target to reach success. Always, as a human being, we have a lot of responsibilities on our shoulders. So all the responsibilities, definitely we will be seeing the success in that. Who will do all these things? You, yourself. It is for your needs. And all the time, we need to climb our success. So there will be a small steps. So once you need to the pinnacle of that success, we need lot of steps. Now I'll give all the tips how you can climb your success. So I'm very happy. So just I'll give all the tips for you. See, once you see all these things, you can go back to your childhood days, what you have done. So from your LKG to UKG, you can just see that. So you are at home, you are at school, you are at family, all those things normally, you can see that. So all those things, each and every time you are in one after the other steps. So definitely, so college would have given the education. Okay, parents would have given some knowledge how to live life, and friends would have supported you in all the manner. Finally, you are the one you are going to lead your life. Okay, finally, you are the one you are going to settle in our life. Normally, we all say whenever we are together, what you mean by this settle? Always people will be talking, and you would have heard your parents too. They will be telling all the time, we have to settle this. What do you mean by that? Settling means you will be achieving nearer to your dreams. Now you may be thinking you are having all the degree certificates, are yet to complete your degree. Where to join? How to settle? I have to buy one car, I have to buy one house, or I have to take care of my parents. I have to live my life in the comfortable zone. So that is reaching your satisfaction level. So what we as a normal human beings, we say it is a settle in your life. But for this trend, if you observe now, so settling should not take more than 35 years or more than 45 years. If you say at your 40, if you need to settle, you cannot do anything, because to settle in your life, mental health and physical health, it is very much important. Nowadays, if you see all these scenario, both the mental health and the physical health, nowhere it is matching, because of the stress level, because of the tension what we have, or because of the environmental condition, or because of economical condition, whatever it is, our responsibilities are going high. But we cannot come down to reduce our responsibilities, so that easily in the cool and calm way we need to decide. You are all very young now. I think just to 20, 21 like that. You have another 10 years time to settle down, but you have to have a base now. If you cannot put the base now, you cannot think of settling further. So one thing, from last March 23rd, we are all in the panic situation. That is because of this pandemic situation. All will be thinking, not only students, even the parents, even the employees, even our political parties, our whole nation is thinking, what next? It's very much important for everyone. So since you are all searching for the job, So job market and job searching, it is not so easy because market economy, it has gone down, and whole placement scenario, it has been changed. It is very difficult for one to observe like last year placements. Now market is searching for only skill level people who are very qualified, who deserve for the market. Now it is your responsibility. How do you make your profile to reserve for the market? You need to create your profile. I'll give some other tips now in my next slides. You can follow me. It is very difficult now because earlier what we are thinking, placements means company used to come to the college, they used to pick, because this pandemic situation adversely affected everyone now. So situation has been changed. When the company people, they are paying you, you should be ready to face them. So they are expecting many things from you people. Next thing is, learning is key point to success. Always, everyone, it is life, ongoing. We say it is a process. Learning should not stop at any time. So in the market, what we say is upskilling. What do you mean by upskilling? Already college or the faculty or your management or your principal will be giving all the facility. Whatever you are studying in now, it is within the syllabus. Even in the question paper or even in the internal test, no out of syllabus question will be there. If at all one or two indirect or out of syllabus questions, you can approach your faculty, HOD, principal, or your parents will be there. But once you finish your graduation, you are independent. You are alone to face everything. And whatever you see, these are all out of box syllabus that you may be experiencing now. Sometimes you may be liability to your neighbors. You may be liability to your parents also, because already I have given hint, you have lot of responsibilities on your own shoulders. So already I explained, it is a golden time. Make use of this. So be engaged all the time. Okay, you can rest, enjoy, and you can do all other pending activities. So along with this, you make use of this period properly, because everything is available online. So grab more certifications. It is very much important. See, you have Coursera, you have MOOC, so much of facilities available with a free of cost through the internet. You can learn. Now, so many academic institutions, they have started online courses. Rather spending your time somewhere else, you can spend and dream of your career now. So 20 days courses are there, 15 days courses are there. Directly you can join any of the courses and get some certificates. You can ask me now why you need certificates. It is very much important because already I told you market has been changed now. So however you will be unique, you can grab the market, because one job, so many applications will be there. You can see in Bangalore, so walk-in interviews are going on now. If at all 5-10 posts are vacant, there will be a long queue. You can observe. Without food, without water, they will be standing. I do not know, at the end of the day, they will be given the opportunity to face the interview at least. You cannot expect that also. Lot of demands are there in the market. The next one is market research. How do you analyze this market research? So where are the right jobs for the right person? You should have close contact with the social media. So you need to observe, so where are the posts? Because earlier, all the colleges, placement officers, yes, we were helping you people a lot. Now we are expecting your support also. Every day, you need to know, you need to surf some company websites. What are the things they are looking for? Where you need to update your skills. It is very much important. So next one is productivity, delivery, learning. You think now, if at all you would have got some job, or you are going to join to the company. Now, what is the scenario? Nobody is going to the company. Even their onboarding also, it is happening through online, all virtual. Even the employees, they would not have seen their office. It is also through net. Even though if at all you would have joined the company, upgrading yourself, it is very much important. So you have a probationary period. In the probationary period, everyone will be observing you. So through online, proving yourself, it may be very tough. So concentrate on three things. It is very much important: productivity, delivery, and learning. These are the tips for you. No need to be panic in life. It is life. Yes, we have to face it. So it may be a COVID, or next you may be expecting some other things, but we cannot stop learning. We cannot stop thinking. So we have to grow ourselves. I think these are the some tips really help you to grow. So next, how to be successful. Everyone, you ask anyone, nobody would like to lose their game. All they say that yes, I need to be the top, I need to be the first one, I need to be successful, all my dreams should be successful. How it is possible? So you can think 10 years back, how old you were you? Now you have grown another 10 years. Am I right? So growing old is automatic. Nobody will stop you. So every year you will be celebrating the birthday. You never think of what you would have achieved, but you will be celebrating. So that means growing old is automatic, but growing up needs some work. So some effort. Efficiently you have to work. How do you become successful? How do you be efficient? That is, predict and prepare for it. You should have one vision. You have seen in your college, every corner you may be seeing the vision. Without vision, no institution will be there. Without vision, no organization will be there. Like that, even for your career, your growth, your life, you should have some vision. See, whenever you start your journey from Tumku to Bangalore, or your place to somewhere else, you just predict how much time it will take, or how many kilometers you need to travel, or you should take a government bus, private bus, auto, or your own vehicle based on your necessity. It is also same now. You need to have some vision to grow in your career. It may be small, okay, for your age it suits a lot. Next, wherever you see lockdown, mask, be prepared, be safe in home. Yes, we will agree. But after this period, definitely word will come back. Are you ready to face that? Will you? It is very much important, because one or the other day you may be knowing now lockdown 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Yes, lot of changes are happening. Our country is facing, our world is facing. But are you ready to face? Will you face anything? So don't be idle at this time. Ready to face the world after lockdown lifts. It's very much important. Then already I explained you mastering the skills. So immediate learning, it is very much important for you. Okay, so whatever you are learning now, or whatever you have learned in your academics, you need to fine tune everything. Okay, you may be learning nearly 30-40 subjects in the BCA or anywhere in your degree. All 40 subjects are important to know the basics, but all 40 subjects may not be important for the industry. You need to be master in one or two languages, or one or two subjects where market is looking for. In my next slides, I will be telling you what are the important domains. Now it is open. Immediately you can grab the job opportunity. Okay, that I will tell you. So how to learn new things? Learning is okay, but do not pick the very difficult domain where you can really concentrate, or which is not your cup of tea. You think where you are strong. If at all you take BCA, you may not be a good coder. Do not worry about coding. You can choose other subject. You may be good at communication. You may be good at language, English. So you can choose content writing. You may be very active. You go for video. You may be very active in social media. Choose that field. Lot of fields are there. I'll explain you now in my next slides. So do not pick. So somebody who cannot code, do not take Java. Do not struggle. So if you struggle in learning, it is really no use for you. So don't struggle. Take some easy way, and which you like, which you love. It is very important. Along with this like and love, it should be faster. So if your course is for 1 year, 2 year, if you take this, it will not yield you any result immediately, because at this time you are looking for faster growth, faster fetch. Industry is looking for certain domains. Among those domains, you pick any one or two, which is very easy to learn. It is a simple tip what I am giving to you. Then, which can be learned through online. and from your own space. It is very much important. In this pandemic situation, you cannot join any institute. You cannot pay more also, because already everybody they are facing the financial struggle. So don't pay much. Very simple course which you can learn from your own home. You please take this. I will bet you within 1 month you can fetch the market with these tips. Next, all these tips I have given, but it is your own interest. I told you, you are going to make your own career now, because you are the one who are facing the world next after lockdown lifts. So simple saying here, if you are not growing now, you are dying, definitely, because we say in teaching field, if you do not publish, you will perish. That means teaching also learning. It is a process. So same holds good for you also. If you are not waking up now, if you are not thinking now, really it is very difficult. How do you grow now? What are the fields are available? Now I am explaining you each and every one. These are a fields very important. Now these domains are very much open for everyone. They are not looking for anything else other than the skill levels. Out of these domains, you can choose one or two according to your taste, according to your interest. And all the courses are available through online. Or just you need to do little bit analysis on this. First one is copywriting or content writing. Normally, students will say, yes, I have done my degree. Okay, I am a BCA graduate. All my 3 years I have learned computer. Even my PU level I have learned computer. Or my 8th level I have learned computer. Now, how can I go for this content writing? Dear students, please do not think that content writing is a story writing. It is also technical writing. And always you will be with your own language only. If the project is with Java or your any other languages, you will be writing user manual or documentary for that subject, or you will be writing comment for each code. These are all the things together. It is called as content writing. Okay, just you should have good language, good communication. You have to understanding the process of coding, then you will be writing. Or indirectly I can say it is a documenting. So it is very easy job, and automatically you will have career growth here also. Do not go behind by seeing this content writing. It is best at this moment. Every industry they require more than a developer. You have a demand for this content writing. Okay, don't go behind, because it is important profile in your career. Within 3 years you can climb your ladder. Really you will improve in all the level. Overall 360 levels, this profile will give you career. Next one is digital marketing skills. It is a new normal. Everything is happening digitally. Yes, even observe to this lockdown pre-period, yes, we were using the online, but not this much. You may be seeing now your all classes are happening through online. Okay, your all exams also may be happening through online, and everything, what not. Okay, even for COVID time, getting pass also, it is happening through online. So many things. So that digital marketing, how do you sell product, or how do you sell yourself through the market? It is very much important. Through the online, how do you project? Now I am talking to you now, but I cannot see your faces. I cannot see your expression, but still I am managing myself. See, teaching or giving presentation, we need other face, interaction from the audience. Without the audience, I feel that you are all active now. You are all listening to me. I made my mindset now. You are all with me. Like that, I am moving ahead now. It's my mindset. Same way. So, how do you sell the product through online? It is very much important. So then, virtual or remote selling. Any product you can export, import the things through online. It is called as virtual or the remote selling. It is very much important. Somebody, you may be very active, you may be talkative, you may confuse or convince the people other way. You can really fit into this job. You can analyze. If you cannot analyze yourself, you can ask your faculty members or the HOD where I am fitting. You analyze now. Nothing, no wrong in it. You can analyze yourself. Then another field is video editing. Now you may be seeing any product, they will advertise only through the videos. Without video, nothing will happen. Videos should be catchy. If videos are not catchy, users will not sit before the video. That is very much important, very easy. Once you learn this skill, it is like cycling or swimming or learning new language. It will not go away from you anytime. It will be with you. So video editing is one of the important field now at this moment, and you will really enjoy with this. And no more skill required. Just if you are active and involved, this field is very suitable for you. So people are the student who cannot scratch your head, you would like to just enjoy, you can go for this field. It is very much important. Then graphic designer, you may be knowing now. So wherever you go, graphics very much important. It may be 3D gaming or any other field, construction, wherever you, mechanical field you go, this graphic designers are required. Every company, they require these skills, but very scared to get this graphic designers. I have an opportunity for more than 50, I am not getting. Even industry people also, they are searching for this profile, they are not getting easily. So you can make, but you need some skills for this, so you can make career here also. Next, very important, team management. Without team you cannot work. Okay, you will be having leader, you will be having your subordinates, you will be having your other team members to work with you wherever you go. It may be coding, it may be video editing or digital marketing, wherever it is. Now it is very difficult because you should manage your team through online. Already I told you, no, all the company, even onboarding is happening virtually through online. Okay, just they will give you your employee ID, you need to log in, that's all. That's why now industry is moving. That's very much important. So you need to know all these skills, how to manage the team. What are the leadership quality required to manage the team? Here counts your attitude and attitude. It's very much important because in a team, if you are working, you need to manage all the heads. That you can learn. So a lot of demand is there for team management also. Next, very important, which you are looking for, that is software development. Okay, so if you are very much interested in coding, you can really opt, you can become a developer. But remember guys, one thing, lifelong you cannot be a coder. You need to learn many things. So maximum in your life, 3 to 4 years you will code. Later you will become a team leader, team manager, senior architect. Like that you will be growing in your ladder. So along with even development, you need to learn other soft skills also. It is very much important. You have to develop that. But I will tell you, it is not so easy to get into the market software development because current scenario is not very favoring everyone. You should be very strong enough. As I told you, you have to compete with many, sometimes thousands, sometimes even lakhs. But still, trying is not bad. You can improve your coding skill, analytic skill, logical skill, and you can improve. Next one is language translator. Now, already I told you, it is digital marketing, online selling. It is not only restricted for our own area, not for only to Tumkur, not for only to Bangalore, not for only to Chennai, Andhra, whatever it is. It has been all over. Okay, even if you are doing export or import, you need to know other country languages also. Only English will not suffice your energy. So what you have to do, see, if you are knowing some more languages, really it will add a value. So sometimes while attending the interview, even you may be very good at Kannada. Yes, you say that I am good at Kannada. For the local region, you can manage your profile. So other than that, you try to learn other languages. Okay. Now you think that you will be selling some product to Karnataka and Andhra. It is necessary to know even Telugu also. Okay. Even you have to manage some of the website now. So language translators are very much important. Okay. So French to English, English to French, all those things are there. You can just put your 3 months effort, you can learn any language. Okay, it may be foreign languages, it may be our Indian languages, whatever it is, you can do this. Lot of opportunities are there also. Then last one is social media manager. Now it is very happening field. Everything is happening through the social media. Without this media, we are not there. You just imagine, without our mobile, we cannot be there. Without WhatsApp, we are not there. Without Facebook, we are not there. Without link to build a professional LinkedIn, we are not there. So all those social medias are very important. Think of, if you are searching your job, again you need a social media. Social network should be very much important. And here also there are lot of openings, lot of opportunities. Just you should be good at networking, you should be good at your communication. If you have these two skills, really you can approach these fields. Students, see, really I'm telling you, these are the fields are opening now. They are in high demand in the market now. Just you brush up your skills. It is very easy. Do not sit idle at home. Just grab one or two identities where you can work. Just pick today. You are not late. You can pick, you can go ahead. Within 2 months, you will get an offer letter from any of the industries. It is sure. Next, how to be connected. I told you now. See, I have connected to Sheshadripuram College through Pratibha. Otherwise, I was not even knowing our principal Jagdisha or Anuradha today, who is hosted the event. I was not knowing. Just because of Pratibha, I was in touch with Pratibha. I got connected to this college. Since you know Pratibha Madam is in several teams. You got registered to this webinar. Like this, connection is very much important for the current world. Already you know social media connection. So how do you connect? If I say simply, yeah, I may get a mobile number of any of the HR. Okay, simply I say, hi, I am so and so studying in this college. I finished my BCA. Can you give some job to me? Will he give or will she give? No, because she does not know that who you are. And you may be one who are approaching her, but she may be having several messages like this. If you are not presenting digitally very well, she will never see your messages. And she may block your number also, or he may block your number also. So in the social media connection, you need to present very well. Okay. So slowly you have to improve your connection. Definitely you can fit the industry. Next, everyone is everywhere. Okay. You can meet CEO of any of the company. You can meet even HR of any of the company, because LinkedIn is there. If you have a strong communication bonding with some of the HRs, slowly upgrade your resume, your skills you can post to that company HR. Whenever need is there, definitely they will call you. So only through the WhatsApp you may not reach everyone. So you can have the LinkedIn profile. It is very much important. Okay. Then whenever you see the company, there you can see the career port. In that career portal, you can upload your resume every time. At least 15 days once you can upgrade your skills and keep on uploading. Definitely you will get. Even you have other job portals also, you can approach them. But if you do not present digitally very well, nobody will be interested in you. Okay. So your parents, your college, yes, you are asset. They will take care of you very well. But once after the degree, you have to sell yourself. Whoever, we are all there to support you, but you cannot come along with you all the way. So that is your interest. How do you present digitally? It is very much important. So I request everyone now, you should have at least LinkedIn account with the professional photo and professional information. Here afterwards, everything is noticed by everyone. Even your DP, which you are put in your WhatsApp. Okay, how do you communicate in the Facebook? Who are all there in your Facebook link? It is very much important, because they will check even your social responsibility, how you are related to other people. Okay, you are good or bad can come to know digitally only. Okay, personally, if you are seeing also, they will be seeing your total link. Okay, what language you use in social media, based on that you may be picked. Okay, so try to use professional language here afterwards, because everyone is everywhere. They will be observing your complete profile. Next, building social media. Already I told you, you should have proper LinkedIn account. It will really help you, and you have all the documents with you. It may be your government ID card, or it may be your passport, or a two-wheeler or the four-wheeler license, whatever it is required, because I assume you are all above 18 now. You can take any license. You have all these documents. Now they are asking all the documents for the job profile. Okay, and along with this, you be ready to accept any profile which you are liking now. Do not deny that. Then promote yourself. How do you promote? So digitally you have to prepare your resume now. Earlier you were sending all the resume through the text or word file or through the PDF, whatever it is. Now it has been changed. Digitally you have to prepare your resume. 1 or 2 minutes talk should be there. Try to upload wherever it is possible. It should be presentable. Okay, it should be motivated, it should be very interesting. Okay, you introduce yourself for some few seconds, then start where you are strong. How can you help industry? What are the domains you know? If at all you have some certificates, talk about that certificate also. Or if at all you have done some research work, yes, some of the industry they have R&D too. It is really helpful for you. That can be done. So like this you can be promoted yourself through the social media. Next thing is networking. You have friends, you have relatives, you have classmates. More than that, you have alumni of your own college. Try to talk to them. I am seeing this Z generation people, they are hesitant. They will not open up. They will not talk. Already principals are told. So all those hurdles are there with you. You are hesitant. Don't be hesitant too much. Please talk to everyone. We do not know who will lend you a helping hand. Here onwards, please try to have a positive communication and good relationship with everyone. Your own relatives may be working for some of the company. They may be HRs, or they may be looking for some profiles, or they may be in good positions in some of the industries. If they come to know that yes, you are good at certain skills which they are looking for, really they will match you. Easily you will get the job opportunity, because finally even we are all looking for job, isn't it? We need to settle better in our life. Really it will help you open up, because your problems should be told. Your problems should be expressed to at least one or two. They may be giving proper solutions. Yes, we believe that this generation students, they are good decision makers, but it is not really true. You have a lot of decisions in your mind. It may be useful or it may not be useful. Somebody should be there to guide you. So better you express yourself where you are stuck, what kind of help you need. So these are all four domains. Really they will help you: your alumni, your friends, your relatives, and your classmates. Finally, so your teachers, they are also there. They have seen the word more than you. Okay, so you may be finishing your degree, but do not forget your teachers and elders and your college where you have learned, because it has given you a lot. You may not be thinking now, yes, I have paid the fees and they have given the degree certificate. No, they would have taken care you very well. That's very much important. Please do not forget this. So, good relationship will always protect you. Okay, always back you. Try to have good connection with all these domains. Then self related companies, upload the resume. It's very much important. Daily target some 15 companies. Okay, now I'll give some of the company lists. So just target, go to their career field, read their about page, because they will tell that what domain they are working for. In the career field, automatically they will give which are the domains they are looking for, where are the requirements, how you can apply. Even though if they are not asking you to the particular domain skill, keep on uploading. It will take nearly 10 to 20 minutes per day. Like however you will have your food, sleep, just concentrate 20 minutes to upload your resumes. It's very much important. I'll tell you, many of the job or the placements will be happening through the company career portals. It is true. Okay, so just HRs, even they will be scrutinizing your resume through their portal only. Sometimes they will look for that. It will really 20 to 30% will support your job career. Next is, be ready to impress people. So that I think no need to tell, you all will be knowing how to impress. It's very much important. But generally impressing the people, yes, it may be short term goal. So you are impressing the people now. They are not the normal people. They are the HRs, they are the technical leads, they are the people who are from the reputed industries. You can impress them only through through your attitude and the attribute. That means indirectly your skill levels. Your skill levels directly it should match industry requirements. That is here I'm stressing impressing the people. So for that you have to prepare digital resume. Already I have explained you video profile is very much required. So try to have 2 minutes video which will give complete detail about your profile, how you are useful to them. That is very much important. Okay, so you may be thinking you need to settle in good job. Yes, it is your interest, you are thinking, but other people they will think that how you are useful to them because they are paying you. Okay, so build a digital resume, start doing it. It will take I think 1 or 2 hours to prepare, and you can express yourself very smartly. That's very much important. Next is create simple window, be unique. Okay, so now everywhere, so darkness cannot be hidden with a light. If you are a light, yes, you can glow, definitely. Okay. So very much important. I will tell you now, you should have some of the unique skills. Already I have told you this market opening for the 9 domains now. If you are strong enough, really you can be a unique. Okay, you can build unique career, which industry is expecting now. Now, another one is key points in resume. Normally, all the resumes I observe, unwanted things will be there. Simply you write everything there, but you will never highlight your keywords. Now, personally, no one is scrutinizing your resume. It has gone long back. Okay, when we were doing our degree, it has been finished. We used to go with our resume, which is signed, and used to give it to sometimes security, sometimes reception. We would not even reach HRs many a time. Okay, so now what is happening through online, you will be submitting the resume. Through artificial intelligence, they will check your resume. You think that HRs are wanting some Java people, but in your resume, even though you know Java, if Java keyword is not there, they will not take you. Your resume, because it is not human entered one, it is system. System will automatically throw your resume out. You may be good programmer, you may be doing good Java coding, but Java word would have missed in your resume. So definitely your resume will not be selected for next round of interviews. Do not do that mistake. Keywords are very much important. Put some 10 to 12 keywords in your resume where you are strong. So sometimes company will be looking for leadership qualities. In your objective, if you are not highlighting you are good leader, you have a good leadership quality, that word is missing. Artificial intelligence system will be observing only that word. Whole resume it will scan. If at all that leadership word is not there, even though you are a good leader, your resume will be thrown out. So don't do that. All the keywords specifically you need to use in your resume. Okay, so whatever the live projects you have done, that you do keep it in your resume or in your digital resume. That is very much important. Okay, create link of video and share it to all the HRs. Okay, now common HR mail is available in all the company. If you Google it, just you can say hr@companyname.com. It will go to HR, or info@companyname.com. Definitely it will go to HR disk. So always you create something, you just post some 20 to 30 resumes every day, or it may be your video link. Keep it in YouTube, make one YouTube channel, keep it your video there, and give the link to the HRs. If at all it is really interesting start, they will see complete video. There are chances to look into your resume, digital resume. Do that. It is not a joke. Really, you can impress the people through this. So dependency will not be transformation already. Don't think now at this situation. So somebody will come from sky and they will give job for you, as some HR will come to your college and pick your resume. Okay, so it takes some time. Rather, if you want to settle down very fast, please do not depend upon anyone. You are the one. Single-handedly you can fight with anyone now. Be prepared for that. And you don't have much time now. You may not be late now, but you do not have much time. You have to start hunting your career at this point. It's very much important. Next is test the failure and enjoy the success. You may be fed up, like I have daily 30 resumes, I'm doing it. I have learned already digital video editing. I have learned something about online selling. Still, I did not get the job. Don't be depressed. Time will come. At least you are learning new things here. Be satisfied. You need to taste the failure. If you know good apple, you need to know the other apple also, bad apple. Then you can taste, yes, this apple is good. So that if you know the struggle way, you can easily climb your success path. It's very much important. Don't be depressed. It is all common. Okay. Nobody will grow. It is not a nightmare. Okay. Easily. Just try to attempt everywhere. You will be successful. Next, for all these things, you heard so many times this word goal, aim. Okay, how do you fix a goal? How do you fix a goal? Because I will tell you now, each and every moment in your life, we need to fix a goal. Goal should be smart. See, now you think that you are traveling to your college every morning. 9 o'clock class will be there. How do you plan? If you get up at 9 o'clock, can you attend 9 o'clock class? Or if you get up at 8:30, you know that you need to commute at least 1 hour to reach your college every day. Can you reach first hour class? No, it is very difficult. So you need to plan everything previous day only. Yes, I have to get up at 6 o'clock. I should take care of my health. Minimum 10 to 15 minutes exercise is required. I need to have a breakfast. And I will not eat outside food. I need to carry my bags to the college so that I should tell my mother or a mummy to prepare something. And I need to fill my water bottle, because I cannot drink outside water now. Everything will be planning. So every day you know that what to do. How much time you should talk to your friends. Okay. How much time you're spending on WhatsApp, Netflix, watching video, some new movie releases. You know that first day, first show, you should be there. Later you will be bombarding with your friends. Yes, I have seen first show. All these things you will do, but why can't you plan your life? Why can't you make some good strategy in your life? Okay, so it is all very much required. Same way for your career also, you need to set the goal. In the college, you would have observed, when you enter to the classroom, first thing what they will give you is timetable. Why timetable is required? Any of teachers are there in the staff room, you all can call them, they will come to the class, because we have done like that. I have done my 1 to 5th same way. Same classroom, 1 to 5th, all used to sit. One teacher for 1 to 5th. She used to teach for first standard. Then we used to keep quiet. When they used to teach for fourth standard, other 1, 2, 3 other people, they used to keep quiet. Same like why it is not there now? They will give a timetable. According to the timetable, classes will run. If any staff is on leave, alternative will be done and other person will come and take the class. Isn't it? It is a strategy to engage the class, because we have to complete your syllabus within the stipulated time. If you don't complete the syllabus within stipulated time, you cannot write the exams, because you have to write an exam also. Same way, everywhere we have a plan. Even simple example, you go to restaurant or the hotel. First, if you go immediately, they cannot analyze what you want. Okay, you need to ask or order what you need. Okay, if you order idli, they will give only idli. If you order vada, they will give vada. If you order idli, you cannot expect that idli along with vada you will receive. No, you have to order and receive it. Same way in the life also, guys. You have to plan your life. How your goal should be, I told you it is very smart. First one is, yes, it should be specific. I told you, no, idli vada example, definitely. If you want idli, yes, order for idli. But you cannot eat idli alone. You need a vada and coffee with that. You order all the three. Then you can expect these three will be there. Then measurable. Same example you can take. You have 100 rupees. You think that you are in 5-star hotel. Okay, idli vada may be costing 500 rupees. You cannot. So whatever you have in your mind just should be taken. I told you, no, now this market is demanding particular profile. All the 9 profiles, whatever I told you, you have to pick among those. Now, if you are mastering in something else, if you join for some 3-year course to fetch this current year market, it is no use. So your goal should be measurable and it should be achievable. Already I told you, everybody is telling it is pandemic time, it is golden time. Okay, you cannot plan your trekking, you cannot plan your world tour now because it is not possible. Okay, now your goal, whatever you fix now, it should be achievable. Within short time, you need to learn something which is currently required. That is very much important. Okay, then realistic. Already I told you. So it cannot be too far from your hands. It should be very reachable. Your expectation can be satisfied with your goals. You need to plan like that. Then timely. It is very much important. I'm telling you, this pandemic situation can be for another 4 5 months, whatever it is expected by our administration. So, but still you think that another 3 years I will be idle, later I will see. No. At this time, you will be completing your degree. Okay, what next? Immediately you need to plan. I told you no, I'll remind you once again, you will be liable to your own parents sometimes. Okay, they would have invested on you. They will be thinking that yes, you will be independent. You think, guys, nowadays this generation, no parents will think that my children should look after later, they should feed us. No parents will think now, they are also now independent. They know that at least our children should settle themselves. All the parents in their eyes, they are dreaming like that. You need to support, so that you have to have a smart goal. So once again I repeat, your goal should be specific and it should be measurable and it should be achievable, realistic and timely. It is very much important. I hope you would have understood this. Next is steps. What are the steps? Already I told you, you need to identify. To reach that goal, you need to have certain objectives. And what are the hurdles? Okay, that is very much important. This missing is always leads to very drastic way changes. So drawbacks you need to identify. Already I told you, prepare for the worst. If you prepare for the worst, you are ready to face anything, you can lead to success. That is very much important. Worst means, yes, one day you will attend interview. Okay, second day, third day, you may not get proper job, whatever you are looking for. So don't go low at that time. Just think what you can do tomorrow. Okay, what is expected, what is missing, that is very much important, that you have to list down. Okay, so then develop a plan. Yes, I am going to attend this interview. If at all I am not succeeded, I will go for second one. That is B plan. Then skills, already I told you, now all the 9 domains are very much open. You can try very importantly. So next, identify people whom you are reaching. Already I have given 4 domains for that also. Now start calling them. Better to have good relationship, better to have good communication with those people. Really, it will help you. Next, list benefits. If at all you are taking this way, what are the benefits? Whether it is really useful. You have a strong alumni connect. Okay, I assume that you may be having 10 to 15 good friends from your alumni, but who are not working now, who are farming. It's a good job, but you cannot farm. You don't have your own land. Okay, now you are looking for some job, some employment. Then, however, you are closely connected to this alumni, it will not give good result to you because they're all farmers. They can give you good tips about farming only, but which you cannot do. Basically, you don't have any land. You don't have any aim of farming. So better to have good relationship where you are searching. Okay, which job you would like to fetch. That is very important at the right time. This is steps to reach your goals. All the steps should reach your goals should have proper path. Okay. Next is why to set goals. This you will be knowing. Already I have explained. One is you should have strong control in your life because it is your life. You would have dreamt a lot. You are having lot of dreams in your life. Already I told you, whoever it is, they will be dreaming. At least daydreams. Daydreams, you know that what is daydreams now. Okay, at least 10% you need to succeed with your dreams. You need to have proper goals. Then, if you need to have proper goals, you need to concentrate on important things, and good decisions always support you for good goals, and deadline should be there to finish the particular task. So finishing it is very much important. So you will apply for interview. Luckily you have been called for the interview also. You have to reach some point where company is there. Okay, so now you think that lockdown is lifted, very heavy traffic, but you will neglect to plan to reach company. You will be delayed for 2 hours to reach to attend interview. Think whether that HR will allow you. Definitely no. Punctuality, discipline, it is very much important. If at all you do not have finishing touch for your goals, really you will fail. Luckily you got interview slip, but you cannot attend because you have badly planned it. That is very much important. Then you should be self confident and enthusiastic. It is very much important. Nobody will be there to back all the time. Okay, you should have your zeal. You should have your inner energy. Already I told you your mental health and physical health should support. Mentally you may be strong, but always you are weak physically. You cannot get up early. Okay, you cannot eat properly. You cannot talk properly. What is the use? Everything in your mind. You are intelligent, you are a topper of the class, but at time you cannot able to, you are not even exposing yourself. What is the use? You are able to expose everything what is in your mind. If you cannot do this, it is again gone, all in vain. Please prepare for that. It is very much important, your mental health and the physical health. It will really boost you. You will be so much confident enough now, and you will be enthusiastic. So if you have a proper day schedule, it is very much important. Then you may be learning some skills now. It is not enough. I told you life is a process. Continuity should be there. You need to upgrade yourself. That is called progress. Then you think you are closer to success, just bang it. You will get the life whatever you want. It is very sure. So now it is the time. I have given all the tips to you: how to knock the market, how to connect to the people, how to grow, and how to make your goal, and how your goal should be supported with your daily activities. Now it is the time. Cool and calm, think what you want to become. Okay, it's the time to decide what you want. Who will give? That is very much important. Okay, so really you can make this, I think. So I think many people may be attending this webinar. Among all those things, at least 10-20 are making this practice. Really you will succeed. That is a benefit for me. I'll be very happy if at all it happens. So now how do you present? Already I told you, digital interview. Okay, everything will happen. You assume that your digital video resume or your word text resume will be scanned. Okay, and you will be called for online interview. Online interview will be for only 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, very much important. I have literally observed this. Nowadays network problem everyone is facing. So automatically when the HR calls, if you are not picking the call, gone. Next time definitely they will not call, because you are not their relative. No, once the opportunity is given, you need to use it. If you don't call again back to that number, or if at all you don't receive the current call, you will not get the opportunity more. It's very important. Think that next step. Yes, they have called you, you are connected to the call. If you do not present very well, gone. If you're not prepared for HR questions, you are gone. Next, first step is very much important. Your resume has been selected. 50% you are through. Another 30% to attend the HR interview or the technical interview. Because of your bad plan, if you cannot make it, gone. You think that again, yes, technical interview you have faced, you have cleared already 2 rounds, 80% finished. Next 20% is just you will be talking with to HR. They will be checking your confidence. Okay, they will be checking your involvement. They will be checking your attitude. If at all you cannot present very well, gone. Normally, I have seen this trend. They will not be professionally dressed up. Whenever interview is been called, they will be go with Hawaii slippers, t-shirt which is badly printed. See, it is not etiquette. You have to plan everything. Every company, yes, if you join company, there may be Bermuda styles, you can wear no dress code, yes, it will be there. But till you join the company, you are the candidate, you remember that. You are the candidate, you should follow all the interview rules. Here you can see in the picture how you need to be dressed. Many a time they will check even your shoes also, whether it is polished or not. Many a time they will check whether you are the socks or not. That is very much important. And how do you sit? How do you greet them? While just if you are greeting them, if you loosely shake hand them, they will come to know you are not confident. Each and every moment when you are attending the interview, it will be clearly observed. Within 3 minutes, they will judge you whether you are deserved for that company or not, or you are suitable. If they are paying some 3 lakhs for you, is it worth? One HR can judge you within 3 minutes. Then now it is the time to think, how do you behave? Okay, how do you project yourself? The two, physically, yes, you may impress somewhat. You have time to prepare yourself. Digitally, no. Within given time, 2 to 3 minutes, you need to present very good. So that is very much important. Next is, it is just I have taken one pic. So how it should be. Professional dress code. Already you may be knowing this. Even girls, it is a formal dress. So you should have all your file ready with you, including your resume, government ID proof, two white paper, and if at all you are reaching too far place, you may not get anything to eat also. You should have some biscuits, whatever it is. Completely you should be ready, and you should not be panic at that time. Whenever interview is called, you should be strong enough to face. Be prepared for this. This is a simple look what I have given. Okay, just example. Now I think you would have understood how you should be. Next is, see, this is a dress code. It's a, you can wear Indian formal dress, not a problem, but you should be neat, smart. I will tell you, your presentability skills will be solving your 90% of the problem. How do you present? How do you pitch into the cabin? Or how do you enter to the online screen? It is very much important. Your presentability will solve your 90% of the problem. Another 10% is your effort. How do you present in the interview? Because we are all human beings, no? Eye catch is very much important. First time I am seeing you, if at all I feel that, yes, you are not impressing me, why do I take you? That is very much important. That I have explained in my last slide. Impress yourself. Immediately once they see you, they should feel that, yes, I need to talk to him. Because on road or in your college, or if you attend some function, you will be seeing many people. You will not talk to all. One or two may be attracted by you and you will be talking to them. Yes, same way you need to drag the attention of the other person. I have seen this. If you are very much presentable, they think that, yes, I can spend some time. Even HRs also, their time is very much important. They too have a target. So with this month, you have to select some 20 people you need to onboard. They should have a target. Every interview will be for the selection round, not for the rejection round. We will tell you, HRs will come to the college, they will not hire us. I have explained everything, I have answered everything, but still they are not taking us. It is not true. Somewhere something you would have missed. Rather complaining on the system, try to correct your own mistakes. You dig what mistakes you have done at the time of interview, because you can improve for the next interview. It is very much important. Okay. So next, these are all the some habits. Wherever it is physically interviews are going, you will be doing normal things like this. Okay, whenever interviews are happening, you will be humming, you will be snoring, you will be smirching, licking, glowing, all these things, hiccups, because you would have ate some heavy breakfast. Okay, more than your capacity. If you sit in front of the HR, Yes, you cannot control some of your body nature calls. You may hiccup, you may burp, but it really irritates other person. Be careful in all those things. Okay, so dressing culture, it is a practice. If you don't practice wearing tie, wearing shoe, at the first time, if you are wearing tie and shoe in front of the HR, it will itch you. Definitely, you are not comfortable. Through this dressing code, uncomfortable, you cannot answer very well whatever they are asking. Because always you will be conscious about your dress, your shoes. Shoe bite may also happen. So practice dressing code. It is very much important. Next is punctuality. Yes, you know. Then preparedness, I explained. So do not neglect anything. This generation, you people are neglecting because your attentions are diverted for unwanted things. It is very much important. Yes, many medias are there. Till now, we people, teachers, we were telling don't see mobile, don't see computer, but we are only now telling you people log on to the internet, come to online, see the computer, but use it for only positive way. Next one is loose talk, gossiping. It is very much important, even with the HR, even with anyone. Do not do this. Don't have complaining nature. It will really not support you. Then negative energy. Always you see something, you say always bad. Always you will be complaining. Always you will be talking negative, because I will tell you, you may be talking negative about the system or negative about somebody, but that negative impact, without knowingly, it will flow in you also. It will flow in you. Always you say it is bad, it is bad, it is bad. Sometimes even you feel that you are also bad. Okay, so while eating also you say I don't like this, I don't want this all the time. Finally you will end up with not eating anything. So have some positive mindset. Then network building, already I explained you. Then more than corona, more than any of the diseases now, this generation is having one disease which really spoils their life. Anybody can guess? It is your screen addiction. Simply daily 24 bar 7, you should have your mobile and you will be having the screen to see. Whatever it is, you need one screen. Really, I tell you, it is an addiction. Nowadays, it has been called as a disease. Without screen, you cannot live. While sleeping, while eating, you will have, so that it will disturb your complete day. While sleeping, you will be seeing screen and see some bad news and sleep, so that you will not have good sleep. Okay, early morning, you cannot wake up. Once you do not start your day with good mood, whole day it is not effective for you. So plan properly. I will tell you, even every screen should be used in a minimum way for the use, whatever it is required. You know now, all the internet online, yes, you will get everything whatever you want. I told you now, everything can be done, but you will get bad also. Human tends to attracted with bad that need to be controlled. Nobody, even we teachers can tell, our parents can tell you don't see screen, unwanted things, but your mind will be diverted. That also you should only control all those things. Nobody will help you. Okay, these are the things what I have seen. This is the common mistakes what we do. You have to control it. Then you will come up. It's all negligible. Nobody can identify this. Okay, so still more some common mistakes what we do at the time of the interview. Okay, whenever you will be called for the interview, it is physically, I am telling, you will be allowed to wait in some lobby or somewhere in waiting area. You will think that nobody will be observing you, but HR people, technical people from their cabin, they will be viewing everything. And sometimes HR, because you may be knowing that placement drives will go for even long nights also. So you may be 2 3 people remaining for final rounds. Along with them, they may invite you for dinner also. You may be very happy HR is called for dinner along with them. Yes, I would have been even selected. No, that time also they will observe how your table mannerism is there, what are the table culture you have followed. Okay, so sometimes we will have some irritating habits with us that you have to control. I'll show some tricks now, what are the things we will do, because we may not be noticing this. If I show that screen now, you feel that why Mamta madam is telling like this. Yes, it is all really what we do. We would have noticed, but other will be noticed. So in the common place, that too very important, whenever you have called for the interview, whenever even there in the interview area, please do not do all these things, which I am showing it further. Can you say this? So sometimes you will be wearing torn jeans, which is not allowed at all. Sometimes for the HR, now online interview will be happening. Okay. So there, any of the things, like you will be in the connection calls, video is enabled. HR is talking to you and he will ask some question. Introduce yourself. Yes, you will start introducing, but by that time, his attention will be with his friends. He will be keep on talking to his friends. You feel that my attention is going somewhere else. HR attention is there on me. You will stop introducing yourself. Please do not do not do that, because it is stress level interview. They will be checking your patience, how patient you are. Okay, so even HR may be doing many things. You don't have right to get anger on him or her. You should be patient. That is pakka. See, you can see now frowning face. HR is the right. He is having or she is having many things to ask you, but you are at the receiving end there. You should be calm, cool. You need to answer whatever it has been asked. You cannot question why technical panel members are like that. So I have heard many things from students. They say HR asks so many things. Why they should ask all these things? Technical panel member, they have asked me to write a code on paper. Yes, they will ask. It is a right, because they are hiring you, not the one you. Be careful. All these habits which is in the screen now, you need to avoid. It is very much needed. Since I have observed, I have put it here. You maybe think it is very small, silly. No, it is very major mistakes. So you will not get a chance to go further. Okay, please avoid all those things. I told you initially, I'll give some company names where opportunities are very much, all the 9 portals. Today, company names, check their career portal, have wonderful resume. Since you are all freshers, your resume can be 1 to 2 pages. You finish everything, you have a keyword. Okay, later 1 or 2 hours you spend on your digital resume, that is video resume. Just present yourself very neatly, professionally, and give the link to the HRs. Okay, all websites, they will have career portal. You can easily upload. That you have to do, you must do. Okay, so whatever I have seen now, to get a good job, there is nothing. Nobody is intelligent, nobody is topper, nobody is efficient. Efficiency, topping, successful, everything comes only with the practice, practice, practice. I told you, students, even dressing sense may be hurdles for you if you don't practice. Same way, skill set also hurdles for you. We are finding some gaps why students cannot be placed very easily to the company. First thing is aptitude. People cut method, every company will have for fresher aptitude test. Once you are experienced more than 3 years, no aptitude test. Directly based on your experience and the skill levels, they will be hiring you. But whenever you are applying as a fresher, aptitude is very much important. Communication, where you are strong, domain skills. 1 or 2 domain, you will be learning 40 subjects, forget it. But you should be strong at 1 or 2 subjects. It is very much important. Technical knowledge, and whatever the live project you are doing at your career, I mean student life, that is very much important. Participation. Many students, yes, they will apply, they will get interview call. Due to inferiority complex, they will decide themselves, I cannot clear this interview. So they will not attempt to the interview only. This is the main gaps what we are seeing in the placement department. Next, from the student side, where they are lacking, struggling to communicate. Yes, many people, they cannot introduce themselves. So then they ask introduce themselves, they say that I am so and so, they will keep quiet. No, for the introduction also they will give 2 to 3 minutes. Continuously you should be talking the things which is favorable to that company. How do you talk things favorable to company? How do you know about that particular company? Before going to the interview, you need to surf everything about that company. Company founders, what are their share values, what they are doing, whether they are in the profit side or in the loss side, whatever it is, completely you should know. Whether they are having the banking application, or they are preparing the visa application, or they are doing some government project, whatever it is, you need to surf, and in detail you need to prepare and go. Whenever they say introduce yourself, you should be strong enough to influence them with their domain. That is very much important. Most thing here it is asked is your strength and weakness. Your weakness also should be support you to the company, and your strength also should be support you to the company. Like that you should plan. You should keep some 2 to 3 sets resume with you. Based on their requirement you can post your resume. That is very much important. Then another observation, lack in logical and already I told you, technical skills. Okay, it should be adapted now. Then industry skill set, whatever the industry is required, that you need to do, and you need to be trained from the beginning. Okay, tomorrow is interview. Today if you prepare, if you start learning Java everything, simply for the sake of putting your domains, you would have put Java. Okay, you think that you have been called for the interview on the Java domain only. If you cannot answer basic questions, again you are failing. So that prepare properly, put the things whatever you know in the resumes. Do not highlight all the languages which you have learned, where you are master of none, jack of all. It will nowhere help you. So put some 2 3 languages where you are have. If you do not have, yes, learn and put it. You need to be trained. Okay, so I'll tell you, practice only will help you for your goals. Next, industry, what they are expecting is sound technical knowledge. Already I told you, they are not doing any charitable service. They are hiring you, they are paying you, they will give promotion, they will give increment for you. For that, really you should have sound knowledge. It is very much important. Then effective communication. Now what is happening, I told you, technically however you are strong, 1 or 2 years you will be doing coding or the technical job. Later you are allowed to talk to your customers. Okay, from the industry you are allowed to analyze the problems of the customers. If your communication is wrong, if you are not understanding, now we know it is a common language is English. If you cannot understand user communication, you cannot do the user specifications. You cannot design user specifications properly. So that they stress on communications. Normally even beginning I was thinking, for a technical guy, why do you need a communication? Now really I understood, once after 2 years you will stop coding, really you are allowed to talk to the customer. English is the common language which we have accepted now. So you need to know the good communication. Then you should have go getter. You can be asked to do anything, you cannot say no. That is very much important. As a fresher you are not allowed to say no, but once you get the experience, you should know to say no. How do you properly put no in front of your leaders? That is very much important. But initially you cannot easily say no. You should say yes, try it and do it. That attitude is called as go getter attitude, that they may look into you. Then awareness about the job in the market, that is very much important. You should know what are the jobs available. No jobs will come to your home. You should only go behind the job. For that you need to be prepared. For all these things you need to have zeal to learn latest technologies, which is not required by you, which is required for the industry. That is very much important. And these are all the domain set other than that 9 domains which is now currently in the market. You can see I don't ask you to learn everything. It is basically for the computer science students. Even some BSc, BCom, BBM students also can learn. Any technical course can be learned within 1 or 2 months. Okay, no need to worry. Now without IT, without computer skills, nothing is there. Even medical field also it is there, agriculture field also it is there. IT skills are very much required for everyone now. Everyone, even home science people, everyone who are all seeing this webinar. Yes, along with your proficiency, along with your degree, you can even concentrate this also, because IT is everywhere. Do not think that I am marketing IT now, but it is a current trend. IT is everywhere. So you can plan 1 or 2 courses, because these all courses are available through online now. You can sit at home. Okay, even IITs are doing this. Even big organization, reputed organizations are doing this. Just you can go and register. 1 or 2 months, you will be a master in this subject. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, it is one of the top field now. All this can be done through Python and Java. You can plan it. It is my suggestion. You can plan it. So it is my end of presentation. I hope I have given all the hints for every students who are there in this webinar, who have been participated. Either they may be from BCA or BCom or maybe from BBM, other fields. It's all useful. As I stress upon, IT is everywhere. So for this, no need to panic, no need to be panic. Yes, lockdown is there, pandemic situation is there. Financially, we are becoming weak. Many are losing their jobs. Lot of restrictions are there with a comfortable zone. But it is a time Corona has taught us other way, how to lead our life. Okay, we are thinking in other direction now, how to grow.